Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to link your TikTok account to your TikTok shop. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to sign up for your TikTok shop. So for this, simply go to the TikTok shop seller center, choose your reason and select sign up as a seller or creator. Then you will be logged in using your TikTok account. Now complete the identity verification and business info. During or after the registration process, simply go to your TikTok shop seller center dashboard and simply click on link TikTok account or account setting. Now choose link TikTok account and authorize access and follow the prompts given on your screen. So by doing this, you can simply link your TikTok account to your TikTok shop. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.